Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to sign up for a Novo business bank account. If you're interested in signing up, I've included a link in the description below. By clicking that link, it will take you directly to the Novo sign up page where you can get started with your business banking. Once you're on this page, click on Get Started. On the fields provided, enter your business email and the password you wish to use. Then click again on Get Started. You will then receive a verification code on your business email. Enter it on the field provided. Then click on Next. For profile info, select the type of your business. Then click on Next. Now, enter your full name. Next, enter your phone number. If you also want to receive recurring messages about update, click on the tick box. Then click on the Next button. You will then receive a verification code. Once you receive it, enter it on the field provided. It will also ask for your complete address. Fill in the required fields. Then click on Next. To confirm your identity, enter your date of birth and social security number. Then click on Next. For some business information, enter your business legal name, the percentage of the business that you own, your title in the business, for example CEO, President, etc. Also, select the state of incorporation or where your business is registered. Also, enter your complete business address. Then click on Continue. For additional business details, enter your business phone number, website or social media account, employer identification number if you have obtained one, and estimated date of establishment. After entering, click on Next. Next, state the type of industry of your business, a description of your business, and the number of employees. It will also ask if you act as a third-party payment provider. Click on the toggle button to switch if yes, or just keep it no if not. Then click on Next. Moreover, pick a range of your estimated monthly revenue. Also, select what methods you use for incoming and outgoing transfers. Check all that apply. Then click on Next. You will also be asked to upload some documents for identification. Choose either a U.S. driver's license or state ID, or a passport. Then click on the plus icon to upload the document. Once uploaded, click on Next. Now, you need to upload some business documents such as the certificate of formation, as well as one or more of the stated supporting documents. You could click on the plus icon to upload, or drop the files on the field provided. Once all the documents were uploaded, click on Next. After that, choose where you want the card be delivered, either on your personal address or business address. Then click on Next. To personalize your account, click on all the platforms that you use to run your business. Also, select what you plan to primarily use your Novo account for. Check all that apply. Finally, read and review all the agreements. Then click on the tick box to confirm that you agree to the agreement. Now, your application has been submitted. To set up your account, you need to connect an external account. Click on the Connect Your Account button. It will then inform you that Novo uses Plaid to connect your account. Click on Get Started. Now, enter your phone number. Then you will receive a verification code. Enter it on the field provided. Then click on Continue. Next, select an account. In this case, we're going to connect my Bank of America account. To proceed, click on Continue to log in. Here, enter your login details. Then click on Submit. For identity verification, select which number and how you'd like to receive a verification code. Then click on the Send Code button. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Submit. Now, read and review the terms and conditions. After reviewing, click on the Share My Data button. Now that your account has been connected, you can add money to your account. Select the bank and type of account, then enter the amount you wish to deposit. Note that no funds will be debited until your account is approved. Lastly, if everything's good, click on Save Transfer. And it's all set up. Just wait for the approval of your application. That's how you sign up for Novo Business Bank account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.